Welcome back, friends. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. So friend, I go to my Chrome browser to see its preview. You see that these images are showing inside the footer actually. And you see that Computerfever and copyright sign is showing here and Computerfever is showing down at the bottom. So actually the problem is this, that we have not cleared the above tags. So I go to first my index.html and I show you that you see that this section is closing section feature images and is ending right above the nav starts, where the navigation tag start, right above this section is closing. So friend, I will go above, and as you remembered, I made this class clear/fix. So I will copy it, just copy this class, and I will press enter and Ctrl V to paste. And I also tell you that I have already stylized this class in my style.css. I show you, yeah, this is clear/fix, clear both, and line height 1 pixel. So friend, now I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So now you see that now these three images are showing right above the footer, and the footer has been placed at its original place, and this copyright computerfever.com is also showing accurately. So now friend, I once again go back to my code editor Notepad++, and I go to style.css inside, and I will begin to write code here, and I will call, as I told you, this class I come above feature/photo. So I come here, so I write here feature.feature/photo. And inside I will write the properties. Width, first of all I define it is width 100% and semicolon to close. Now I will give some margin to it, margin 0. Overflow property I use hidden. I give some background color. First you see that what happens, hash 000 and semicolon to close. Now I come here and refresh it. So friend, you are watching that all these images are showing in this way. So if I write here teal, I come here and refresh. So now they are looking in more good way. So now friend, I come back here to my Notepad++ code editor inside the style.css, and I press enter. Once again I call this class feature/photo img, because you know that I have placed images inside this class. I show you that these images, all these images are inside the feature/photo class. So I stylize it. First of all I decrease its opacity 0.7 opacity, and once again I define it is with 100%. Height, I give height auto to it. Transition column scale parenthesis 1.15, Control S to save. So once again, sorry, this is the actually transform, not the transition, transform, yes, and here I will use the transition. Now I will write transform 0.5 second and semicolon to close. So friend, I have decreased the image opacity and I have given image 100%, height auto, transform scale parenthesis 1.15 and transition transform 0.5 second speed. So I go to my browser and now refresh this page to see that what's happening. So you see that it is opacity, the opacity of these images has been decreased. So once again I come down here and I do some more work here. I press enter. So now friend, I will use the hover, that what should happen when the user brings his mouse over it. Feature / photo img hover. So hover, I increase the opacity 1, press enter, and I use the transform scale parenthesis and semicolon to close, and here I write 1.03, Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my browser and refresh this page. So you see that now when I bring my cursor over these images, this transition begins to run. Friend, you can also use the cursor pointer property. So I come here and refresh it. Now you see that your cursor's style is being changed to hand. So friend, now I come here and tell you all this, that what I did. So friend, in previous 2 videos I have stylized this section feature images, all this section. So due to stylizing all this section, our layout is showing in this way. There is a transition also and transition also over these images. Friend, if you remove the background color, here I gave the background color, yes, then see that what happens. Once again I go here and refresh this page. So now they have become more white. So friend, I think now they are looking more good. Anyway, we will stylize them more, it does not matter. So friend, I will come back in next video to do some more work on index.html, because still we are to make a search box here at this place. We are to make a search box.